OrganizedAfterLife.com video tutorial on how to fill out and save data you enter into a PDF form similar to the ones that we have on our website. So I have a couple samples here. Let me go ahead and open up this one. Now you'll notice that it's opening up in the top left hand screen. It's opening it in Adobe Reader. Typical most forms in Adobe Reader, you cannot save the data that's entered into them. Sometimes you'll get a font warning that the font that was originally entered in the form isn't compatible, so you can just ignore that. It's really not a big issue. So let's plug in a number here, 95, and let's put in 100 here. Now when you go to save, you want to go in the top left and go File, Save As, and then you can choose the location of where you want to save it. Some more detail in here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just save it to the default location. It says, do you already exist? Do you want to replace it? Yes. So anytime you make changes to your form, you want to go ahead and replace the old one. And let's close it out and go back in and open it up again. And there you go. There's a couple changes that showed up in there. So it does, you are able to save information in it on a PDF form. Now let's do something else. Let's go in and let's try this other one, which is a health record form that we give out on our website. And instead of double clicking and opening it on PDF, let's right click on it. In fact, let me zoom in here a little bit. Right click, go down to Open With, and you see how Adobe Reader is the default. Instead, go down, if you're on a Mac, and open it under Apple's Preview software. Left click on there, let it open it up. And zoom out while it's doing that, and here's the PDF. Okay, now it still says on top here, it says .pdf, but Apple's computer allows you to do certain things. So let's go in here, type in polio, and we'll say Dr. Smith. Now let's go and do a save. And so now what we're going to do is going to go up to the menu, go File, Save As, and let's zoom in here. It's going to allow you to, same thing as on a PDF, is choose a format. You always want to have it on PDF. Where do you want to save it? Just pick the file you want to. But interesting down here is you can actually encrypt it. And so you can put a password in here, 1234, 1234, whatever you decide to put in there. And then you can save it. That way, anything you entered on here, all your personal information is actually encrypted, which is really great in case your computer's stolen, or if you plan on emailing this completed form to your attorney or to your family member that needs it, you can separately send them the password to open it. And something you cannot do on Adobe Reader. So if you have a Mac, don't bother in using Reader. If you have it on your computer, either uninstall it or just go ahead and make sure you open the file under Preview instead of the Adobe format. That's it, and thank you very much.